Welcome to our tutorial on how to build a bin grain gazebo. In this video, we will show you step by step how to construct a gazebo using a bin grain as the main structure. This project is perfect for farmers or anyone looking to add a functional and unique feature to their property. So let's get started. Step 1. Gather materials. To begin, you will need a bin grain, a saw, a drill, screws, and a level. You can purchase a bin grain at your local farm supply store. Step 2. Cut the bin grain. Using the saw, cut the bin grain into 4 equal pieces. These will be used as the legs of the gazebo. Step 3. Drill holes. Next, drill holes into the corners of each leg. These holes will be used to attach the legs to the top of the gazebo. Step 4. Assemble legs. Using the screws and a level, attach the legs to the top of the gazebo. Make sure that the legs are level and securely attached. Step 5. Add a roof. Finally, add a roof to the top of the gazebo. You can use shingles, a tarp, or any other roofing material of your choice. And that's it. Your bin grain gazebo is now complete. This unique and functional structure can be used for a variety of purposes, such as a place to gather with friends and family, or as a shelter for your animals. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful.